Hi, I'm Karen Chapman. At the end of the season, does your container look a little bit like this? Some pieces are still looking really good, some pieces not so much. Here we've got a plant that's long since lost its flowers and the insects have been really busy on the leaves that weren't that attractive to begin with. We've got a flowering plant that really isn't flowering anymore, and I'm not sure that this chap ever really did anything at all. So we're going to take those out, freshen it up, give it new life for the last few weeks of the season. I use my handy hand fork to dig it through there. I'm going to use this to pry out these dead bodies. I'm going to add in a few plants to freshen it up, because these two still look pretty good. This is a prairie grass, Carex testacea, particular varieties called Prairie Fire and Agora. Now colour-wise, we've got orange and pink, so they're a little bit difficult to bridge. I'm going to bring in this plant here. This is a foliage plant called irisine. Look at the pink stems. That's going to connect beautifully to the pink flowers of Agora. And we have this nice bright foliage that's going to lift the colour scheme. A little bit of teasing. We're going to set that right in the middle, I think. Just fluff that round a little bit. Then I'm going to bring in a little snapdragon. Okay, this is going to help us tie in the orange tones with the pink, because both of those colors are in the flowers. Get that one out. Again, a little bit of teasing. We'll tuck that in on one side. We'll take that over there. Push that in. And then we've got space for a little something coming through that way. Let me test drive these two. So here's a little fun seasonal accent, a purple pepper. That's going to be rather nice with this, and it helps to celebrate the fall season. I'm going to get that round the side. There we go. Tags out, a little bit of fluffing. That's going to be pretty. Tuck that in, I'll turn that back to face you. And now I've got a bit of a gap going on here. I'm going to solve that with a nice plant which is going to drape across the front here. This is an indoor plant called a prayer plant or maranta. Does really well in dappled light situations. I'm going to clean it up a little bit, take out some old leaves, and then that's going to help soften the front edge. Something like this. Now to give it a little boost, I'm going to sprinkle in some Osmocote. This is fertilizer that's going to help it finish up through the rest of the season. And I will take maybe this. This is my soil mix, and I'll simply go through and fill the gaps to tidy it up. And that will then keep us going all the way through until frost, and looks much better than having a few dead plants. If you'd like to see more tips, join me on Container Gardening to Suit Your Style.